Hey, today we're diving into one of the easiest beef recipes you'll ever make. Pulled beef. Juicy, tender, packed with flavor. Hey, this recipe is perfect for tacos, for sliders, for lettuce wraps. Serve it on a bun. 2.7 pound chuck roast. We're gonna cut this guy down the middle. Then what I'm gonna do is turn it around. We're going to cut it into chunks. That should do it. And for my rub today, I'm using the famous Salt Lick. This is their dry rub garlic. And by cutting it up, right, we can get more seasoning on it, right? Get seasoning on all the sides. So that's the reason I'm doing it that way. Getting down to our last piece here. I don't know, I can't remember if I mentioned it, but this is a 2.7 pound chuck roast. Now we got her all seasoned up. Let's get over here, get our pellet grill ready. Just get our roast pieces on here. Let this guy start cooking. Now I've got this pellet grill set at 250 degrees. You can see it's running right at 240. That's how we're going to start the cook. Hey, it's been 3 hours and we've got plenty of smoke on this chuck roast. All right, we're at 160 degrees internal temp. Now this chuck roast is taking on all the smoke it needs. Going to get this temperature probe out. And you can see it's taking on a really nice color. Just let me move it over to the side here just for one moment. I'll show you what we're going to do. Got a cast iron pot here. We've got 1 can of Dr. Pepper, 2 cans of Dr. Pepper. All right, got both of those in. Now we're going to get this chuck roast in here, right? Get it all down inside this Dr. Pepper. There we go. I've got 1/3 cup apple cider vinegar. Come in with your favorite barbecue sauce. I'm adding a bottle of this Montgomery in. This is optional. Just a little hot sauce, maybe a tablespoon or so. Just give it a nice little stir. That ought to do it for us. There's what she looks like up close. And you don't want this meat totally covered, right? Get that lid on. Now you can see I've just now changed my temperature to 325 degrees. This temperature will come on up and we'll let it braise. Now I've just got a white onion here. We're going to cut off some slices. Thin slices. Now, just want to come right down the middle. Halve these onions up. Perfect. I'm just going to open this grill back up. Take this lid off. Put those onions in here. They'll soften up as it cooks. Let's get our lid back on and shut this door. It's been 6 hours. Look how this beef just falling apart. See that? Totally dark outside. I had to bring it inside. I'll show you how we're going to serve this up. Just going to come in here. We've shredded it up. Just a little bit more right there. Stone mustard, that's what this is. Just a little bit. And then finally, some pickled jalapenos, right? Pickled jalapenos. Gonna get this top down. Look at that goodness. Just gonna give it a slice in two here. Look at that, that's what she looks like. Give her a taste.